Alright, so part 2 is the products, the services, a demo, and my critique. The products and services are mostly just, an Oracle version of everything, it seems like. So, there's like the database, there's specific, very well known database things, such as 2013, their 12C, I believe, as the latest version of their database technologies. They also had tech that they've acquired for that database thing, such as Berkeley DB, Oracle RDB, Time10, Oracle SBase, MySQL, and Oracle NoSQL. They also have their middleware, which is Oracle Fusion middleware, which has things such as system integration, business process management, content management, etc., etc. They have their Oracle Secure Enterprise Search, which allows you to search for content across multiple locations, which is very helpful, I imagine, for a lot of companies that have data spread over many places and things that they need. There's also Oracle Beehive, which is team workspace and interconnectivity sort of thing. And other applications they have are Oracle Fusion applications, Oracle e-Business Suite, PeopleSoft, JD Edwards, that sort of thing. They have enterprise management, development software such as Oracle Designer, Oracle Developer, operating systems such as Oracle Solaris and Oracle Linux, and other services such as consulting, finance support, Oracle University, Oracle Consulting, all that sort of thing. The demo, I'm having a little bit of difficulty with my work laptop being able to pull up a side of my screen, so I put in the slides a screen cap of the picture for the PeopleSoft. That's my demo. And specifically for this, it's built around the HR, so it has a bunch of workflow menus, so you can pick one thing or another, such as the search engine, the portal, workflow, the process management, and personalized items in there. And you just drop down from each one of those, click on there, and then usually prompts you with fields to fill out for specific things, people to search specifically with, and the search engine usually helps you to optimize most of that, and being able to put in the name and then specifically what needs to be looked at. The application engine as well helps to fuel the connectivity between the stuff that Oracle has. My overall critique of this is that it's good for what it works for, and I've done a lot of UI, UX, front-end, web design, that sort of thing, and I find that a lot of these very specific skin and bone kind of objects that are meant for just everyday work can sometimes benefit from at least, I don't know, a facelift of sorts. In this situation, it definitely could use that. It's very bare, and it's very hard to find the content. And while it is an endless battle to always try to find the specific words for somebody to understand what they want, it differs from one company to another. In a lot of cases, one person could be wanting overtime and they could explain it as extra time or something else. So that's a very difficult thing to integrate, but I feel like this could benefit a lot from some sort of search, very larger search, more so than the search engine that they have, but more for the capabilities that they have. The search engine doesn't really tell you what kind of capabilities they have in there, what kind of integrated elements they have. It really mostly just searches what's in the data, and they would really benefit from something like that, because that helps to bridge the gap of understanding for the lingo of PeopleSoft and the lingo of the people specifically who are using it. Furthermore, I think that it's good that they keep a color scheme to some of their things. However, I feel like it's rather plain. I mean, there's the blue, the white, the red, that's it. And the links could be added in made to look a little bit better, because they look very basic and very hard to read when there's a whole bunch of them in one line. If you broke down something like workflow that they have there, and there's 17 different things, it looks very hard to look at. They could be breaking that up by spacing of some sort, changing the color length, any sort of thing as far as that goes. It is rather easy once you get into the flow of making it work that way, and the system, the specific elements are rather intuitive and easy and have all the necessary components. I just think that more on a front end side there could be something added to it to make it more appealing, because I think that a lot of people base their judgments on their first view of something. So if it looks very skin and bones, very mechanical, it makes it less enjoyable for the person to be working with it, and therefore the person might feel more frustration towards it when it doesn't work the way they intended. While if it looks more up to date and modern, which is another battle in itself to completely stay with, it might help them to feel more connected to it, feel more like, oh, I need to be at this level since it is a newer technology, and less so that it's an old technology and it just doesn't want to function with it. That about sums up my discussion of the demo and my critique. Thank you for listening to my presentation. I hope to get some comments below, and if you have any problems, please message me. Thank you very much.